Hello everyone, I am going to share my little bit of knowledge about internet and cloud computing. In our everyday life we use internet, but we don't know what is internet, how it works. First, what is internet? The internet is a network that connects millions of computers worldwide. Through the internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. These connections are made by coaxial cables. The internet started in the 1960s as a way for government researchers to share information. How internet works? The internet is a worldwide computer network that transmits a variety of data and media across interconnected devices. It works by using a packet routing network that follows Internet Protocol and Transport Control Protocol. These protocols are nothing but set of rules that allow computers to communicate on network. How the data are reach their destination? The internet simply moves data from one place to another so that we can chat, browse and share anything. There are millions upon millions of servers on the internet. Servers can store information. Data travels across the internet in packets. Packets will travel from one machine to another until they reach their destination. As the packets arrive, the computer receiving the data assembles the packets like a puzzle and recreating the message. Then IP address. What is IP address? IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. It is an identifying number that is associated with the specific computer or computer network. When connected to the internet, the IP address allows the computers to send and receive information. An IP address is a 32-bit sequence. It is in the form of ones and zeros. For example, our homes are identified by its own address. Similarly, devices are identified by IP address. Then, domain name server. What is domain name server? When users type domain name into the URL bar in their browser, DNS servers are responsible for translating those domain names to numeric IP address. For example, when the user type domain name www.google.com in their browser knows IP address only. So it sends the domain name to the DNS server. Then the DNS server converts the domain name into IP address. Then send it to the user browser. Now browser knows IP address of corresponding website. Now browser makes the HTTP request to the corresponding web server. Then the web server gives the corresponding web pages to the user browser. That's it. Advantage of internet. Internet is a medium that connects the people to World Wide Web. The internet can be accessed with anybody across the world with basic internet connection and a computer or smartphone. Disadvantages: addiction, time waster and causes distractions, etc. Then let us see about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. How it works? Cloud computing is an application-based software infrastructure that stores data on remote servers, which can be accessed through the internet. Cloud computing service providers usually maintain multiple copies of the data to mitigate instances of security threats, data loss, data breach, etc. Then, cloud computing provides three main service models. They are software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. First, infrastructure as a service. This is the most common service model of cloud computing as it offers the fundamental infrastructure of virtual servers, network, operating system and data storage drives. Then, platform as a service. This is where cloud computing providers deploy the infrastructure and software framework, but businesses can develop and run their own applications. Web applications can be created quickly and easily through the platform as a service model. Then, software as a service. This cloud computing solution involves the deployment of software over the internet to various businesses who pay via subscription or a pay-per-use model. It is a valuable tool for applications that need a lot of web or mobile access. Let us see about deployment models in the cloud computing. They are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. Public cloud. A public cloud environment is owned by an outsourced cloud provider and is accessible to many businesses through the internet on a pay-per-use model. Then, private cloud. This cloud deployment model is a bespoke infrastructure owned by a single business. It offers a more controlled environment. This is expensive for larger business. It can offer high level of security and more autonomy to customize the storage, networking and compute components to suit their IT requirements. Hybrid cloud. It is a combination of private cloud and public cloud. Then advantage of cloud computing. Reduced IT cost, scalability, flexibility of work practices, access to automatic updates. Disadvantages. Network connection dependency, limited features, security and privacy. Thank you.